option trade alerts. You can visit beststockstrategy.com/memberships and enroll in the 7-day trial. It's only $19. I also launched a small account option trade alerts that you can also enroll at beststockstrategy.com/memberships. It's $19 for 7 days. All right, July 3rd, decent opening. S&P is down slightly. Closing trade in Blackstone. The original is there. So we sold it for $150 and then we bought it back for $6. Closing trade, the top, the original was below. So we closed it out for $34 and then we collected almost $100. New opening trade in SPX. Picked up about $140. S&P up 5, VIX down slightly. The SPX strangle from Friday expired for $160 profit. July 5th, decent opening, S&P down 16, VIX up 4.5%. New opening trade in TLT B plus grade. Picked up $100. As a spread, I'd sell the 90 and buy the 85. New opening trade, picked up $140 a premium. SPX down around 9, VIX up 3.5%. I was thinking about rolling in the DG puts to August, but the trade didn't fill. July 6th, S&P down 43, VIX up around 9%. Good day for us, we're up money. I said previously the goal is to be profitable in all market environments, not just bull markets. Small adjustment with DG. I'm looking ahead and want to move in those 140s so that they're before the earnings announcement. I'll wait for the 180s to expire, then roll in a few more. So what we did here was we sold calls and then we rolled in the September 140 to August 145. New opening trade in SPX, picked up $200 a premium. S&P 500 down 35, VIX up almost 9%, and VVIX up around 8.6%. The market rebounded sharply as the S&P was down over 60, and I think VIX at one point was up over 20%. Solid day for us. We were up on the day. July 7th, solid opening, not much movement. New opening trade in SPX. I'll resend the long message as a reminder. We picked up about $100 a premium. So here's the long message. S&P down around 12. VIX down around 4%. Third straight down day for the market. We've done well though. Our portfolio is near its year-to-date high. Have a good weekend. July 10th. Solid opening. S&P up slightly. New opening trade in SPX. Picked up about $80. S&P up 10. First time in 4 trading days that the market was up. VIX up 1.6%. June 11th, solid opening, S&P up around 6, volatility is mixed. New opening trade, decent amount of premium, picked up $340. S&P up around 30, VIX down 1.5%, and VVIX down slightly. Amazon up 1.3%, BLK up 2%. We're trading close to a year-to-date high. July 12th, closed out the 74s and sold the 71 strike. Strong opening, S&P up 44, VIX down almost 5%. Here we rolled more of DG. The calls will expire this Friday, so I want to roll in 2 more from September to August prior to earnings. That way I can get rid of the last DG position. New opening trade, picked up $120 a premium. S&P up 33, VIX down almost 9%, VVIX up slightly. VIX is now in the 13s again, which is historically very low. July 13th, S&P up 25, VIX down 1.8%. Closing trade for SCHW. There was the original. So we sold it for $660 and then we bought it back for about $200. $465 profit. $180 of premium for the SPX trade. Decent opening, or pretty decent considering that VIX is in the 13s. S&P up 38. VIX and VVIX up slightly. July 14th, small new opening trade, B grade as a spread. You can sell the 580 and buy the 530. I'm likely being a little too conservative with the strike. I think even selling the 620 is fine. New opening trade, B grade. As a spread, I sell the 85 or a slightly more aggressive strike. And then buy a strike $10 lower than the one I sold. New opening trade. Picked up $120 for the SPX strangle. S&P down around 5, VIX down 2%. We opened up new trades in BOK, RTX, and SPX. Today was a minor turnaround day since the technology was up big, yet it closed down. The DG calls expired worthless, July 17th, solid opening. VIX up over 3%. Here we picked up $125 for SPX. S&P up 17, VIX and VVIX up around 1%. July 18th, rolled DG. No more DG trades until next week. I don't want to trade too many contracts. So here I sold 7 and I rolled in one of the 140 to 145s. And then here I sold 8 and then I rolled in one of the 140s to the 145s. New opening trade on Goldman Sachs. B plus grade. Goldman Sachs seems oversold with implied volatility higher than the typical move. This is an earnings trade. We'll likely close it out after earnings. As a spread, I'd sell the 180 and buy the 265. LMT closing trade. The original is above. So we sold it for around $105 and we bought it back for less than 10. New opening trade in Lockheed Martin, B plus grade as a spread. I'd sell the 395 and buy the 360. New opening trade. Picked up about $175 for the SPX strangle. S&P up 32. VIX down 1.3% and VVIX down 3.1%. We rolled DG. Opened a new trade in GS. Closed out a winning trade in LMT. July 19th. S&P up around 18. Sold an SPX strangle. Picked up $160. S&P up around 11. July 20th, small new opening trade, B plus grade as a spread. I'd sell the 90 and buy the 80. DG, we rolled that position. Been watching the price action on DG and wanted to roll a few more by selling calls. We're trading in a new year-to-date high, by the way. Nothing fancy, just slow and methodical trading, able to profit in all market environments. SPX picked up $300 of credit. S&P down 31. VIX up 1.7%. Amazon down 4%. July 21st. Goldman Sachs closing trade, original is below. So we sold it and picked up $105 and then bought it back for $30. SPX picked up $80. Here's the long message again. S&P up 1. VIX down 2.8%, so not much movement. July 24th, rolled DG. S&P up around 19, VIX up around 3%. SPX picked up $100, new opening trade. S&P up 18, VIX up 2.3%. VVIX down 1.7%. We hit a new year-to-date high today, July 25th. New opening trade on RTX, B plus grade. As a spread, I sell the 75 and buy the 65. Our RTX position, the 85 strike, is slightly in the money. Let's wait for some of the extrinsic premium to fall off, and then we'll decide whether to roll it, close it, or take ownership. Picked up around $525 for the SPX strangle. S&P up almost 13, VIX down slightly, and VVIX down 1.9%. Microsoft, new opening trade, B grade. I'll expand this trade if Microsoft continues to fall. Rolled DG adjustment, just trying to roll in the DG position so that we can get rid of it in late August, have 5 left of the September to roll over the next 2 weeks. Here's SPX, closed out prior to the Fed announcement, almost a $500 profit on the trade. Not much movement, cost ourselves $50 plus commissions to close out the position, but it's okay. We reduced risk and banked a large profit. New SPX position picked up $125. We're trading at a new year-to-date high while also being hedged. So we're set up well for an increase in volatility as well. S&P about even. Here's the summary message. Solid opening, S&P up over 30, VIX is in the 12s. Small adjustment for DG. Today's been a big turnaround day so far, large move in volatility also. Here we picked up a lot of money for the SPX strangle, over $600, $650. Once volatility normalizes, we'll collect even more. Market down around 30, VIX up 9%. Let's see if tomorrow is a continuation. Also, I'm launching a new small account trade alerts product tomorrow or this weekend. beststockstrategy.thrivecart.com/trade-alerts-small. Solid opening. One quick trade on LMT. I sell the 380 and buy the 360. Adjustment in DG. Just one more September DG position. We'll likely roll it next week. RTX seems to have stabilized too. Big difference between RTX and DG. With DG, the move was more violent. During situations like that, it's best to limit losses and move on. We made back the money quickly, and that was our only losing trade this year. But had DG kept falling, then it would have turned into a bigger problem. Trade goes against you and behaves in an unexpected way, move on. You'll make it back with future trades. I decided to roll the final one. Hopefully that's the last DG adjustment that we'll ever have to make. We have 15 calls and 7 puts of DG expiring today as well. SPX strangle picked up $150. S&P up around 45. VIX, there was a move of about 7.5%, and VVIX down 7%. We opened a new trade in LMT. We rolled DG. Our SPX trade from yesterday expired for a profit of about $650, trading at a new year-to-date high while also being hedged. Also, the small account trade alerts has launched. You can enroll at beststockstrategy.com/memberships. Solid opening, S&P up around 10. Volatility is up 4%, which is surprising. And then we made a trade on SPX, picked up $100. S&P up 7, VIX up 2.2%, and VVIX down 0.8%. Amazon up 1%, and XLE up 1.9%. DG down 1%. Not much movement otherwise. And that's about it. So if you want to join the real-time trade alerts, the live option trade alerts, you can visit beststockstrategy.com/memberships. We are trading at a new year-to-date high, so you can enroll. It's only $19 for 7 days, and I definitely look forward to having you join.